What's up, people of Earth? Not you. Talking to the camera. The GoPro. The Corolla is getting a transformation today. Those of you who actually watch this and follow this car, which apparently some of you do. The wing is going away. Why is it going away? Stay tuned to find out. And by the way, all right, so I finally get to see this whole thing in person. I knew about it. We did not come up with the idea. Somebody else did this first. So my buddy who is over there that does not want to be here, or does not want to be on camera, he designed it. He 3D printed all of it, and he did way more than I thought he was going to do. But as you can imagine, we're taking off the factory wing and we're putting on, I already took photos of video of it, this. He 3D printed, made all the files himself, and he took it a lot further than I was going to. This is the first time I've seen it. The end pieces, if you notice, have nutserts that I didn't know he was doing up until about 30 seconds ago. And he also made a recess so that way nothing sticks out, as you can see. So this is so that way we can bolt everything to it. And he also notched it all, so that way they all click together. And you see here, here, and you see it all in there. These are all going to be attached with a big piece of all thread. So that way it is one solid piece and it has more than just plastic. What kind of plastic did you print this out of? PETG. Okay, and it's out of PETG plastic. If he decides that he wants to put this online somewhere, we can definitely do that. But I'm gonna leave that up to him. He designed it. This is all his creation, came from his brain.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with guns. I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and break the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches start. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alright, it's been a minute. I got updates. The wing is all assembled. It has Josh getting out of the way. Trying to do this because it's actually getting dark and we've been at it for... What time did I get here? Like 10:30? So we've been at this for 6.5 hours to make a wing. I guess that's not too bad. So the wing is all assembled. And what it is, you can't really see it because we were trying to do it and figure it out. There's metal rods that are super tight to here, and then there's all thread that goes all the way through, and we cranked it all down. Made the plates right here. And then now we're in the process of making the trunk brackets that hold to the car. We were gonna lose aluminum. However, we are missing a couple of things, so that didn't happen. And there's a fan going because it's hot and it's Florida. Yeah, that's right. It's hot in Florida in December. You can see we just used angle iron, piece of aluminum, drilled some holes, and that's gonna be about it. All right, people of Earth, it's done. You can finally see the end product. Big thanks to Heatwave. It's their shop. They let us do this here. Their names are Josh and Wingnut. So they both don't like being on camera. But here you go. This is the final end product. It is 70 inches wide, which is kind of cool. And it kind of looks like the Wonder Bread car. My brother pointed that out and I about cried.
Well, good morning, world. And or people of Earth, whoever. It is the following day. You can see it's, you know, semi-sunny out. It is Florida, so you can imagine. But anyways, this is the finished product of the Corolla wing project. Big thanks to Josh. He designed it. All that came out of his head. He asked me a couple things, but he designed all of that. I just helped him put it together. So today, I'm gonna put a camera on the roof. We're gonna take it down the road and see what it looks like going down the road. The unfortunate part is I will not be able to go to speed of we'll be on track, but you know, there's this whole thing, laws, speeding, all that kind of stuff. The car is tagged and legal. Well, folks, there you have it. Will it make a difference on the track? I hope so. The car was very light in the back. That could have been a setup because it does have coilovers on it. I don't know. I know it would like to carry a wheel, and it would three-wheel basically every corner if you're pushing real hard. So it did corner really well. Hoping that helps. It is adjustable. We did make it so that way you can have 5 different positions of the angle, as you can see there, and it is very neutral right now. So will it make a difference? I'll let you know in about a week and a half. We are going to Atlanta, to race Road Atlanta, so hopefully it turns out well. Hopefully the race goes well. It is a 14-hour endurance race again. So yeah. Why did we do this rather than just buying one? Well, the idea for the 3D printed wing I did not have. I'm going to be very honest. Previous to this video, I don't know if I'm going to leave it. A guy did this at another race, and I saw the 3D printed wing, and I was like, hey, that's a pretty cool idea. Well, I messaged him. He was less than polite. I reread the conversation. No, I'm not going to post it up. I could have taken it a little bit better, but when I messaged him, he was basically, the first thing he had was a meme of like of a Y kind of a thing. It's just a Corolla, and then made a comment about a JATO missile would be the only thing that would improve that car. I get it. It is a Corolla. No, it's not fast. Yes, it's slow. I understand it. The thing was, when I messaged him, and I'm going to leave this in here because I want this to be very clear, I was going to pay him for the 3D file. So that didn't happen. He just basically gave me, you know, just the whole vibe when I first started talking to him was not cool. So what had happened was, I have a guy on the team. His name's Josh. He obviously, you'll see him in this video. He did all the designing. He didn't go and get an STL file off of somebody like that for a 3D printer. He literally did a CAD design and converted it and made it all work. So this is completely his design. That being said, you'll look at it and go, no, he copied it. Well, I mean, realistically, how many ways can you make a spoiler for a car? Let's be real here, people. So, but he did make the CAD file. He did do it all on his own. It's very similar to every single design of a spoiler out there. So it is, it's on the big side. It was done on purpose. This is a Lemons car. We do drive this around on occasion. It is super fun because people give you all kinds of crazy looks. Rightfully so. I mean, it was put there for a purpose / ridiculousness, whether the purpose be it helps on the track, whether it just looks ridiculous, it fits the part for the car. There is, as long as nothing in the future happens to this car, there's plans to do stuff to the motor to get some more power out of it. But I'll be honest with you, the car runs really well. It's very reliable. I mean, it is a Toyota. So that's about it. Road Atlanta does me. I went last year in the minivan, as you guys have seen that video, and there was one of my friends got into a wreck, and it was a pretty bad wreck. He ended up with a broken hand. The car was TKO'd, but my understanding is there's another team that's rebuilding it. It's the Red Thunderbird, which is, there's a video of it on this channel. And then prior to that, the year prior to that, another friend of mine went. Nothing happened to him per se, but one of their drivers, along with several drivers that year, got into several wrecks because Atlanta is typically a wet, cold race, and it looks like the weather again this year will be the same. So it does have me a bit nervous, but it is racing. It's inevitably going to get hit at some point, and I know that, and I realize that. So anyways, rant over. In the meantime, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a little bit different. The video is gonna be kind of choppy. It's gonna be on the longer side. I have quite a bit of video of us putting it together. We did have about, I think it was 9.5 hours in assembling it, not to mention printing each one of these sections right here, they're all individual sections that we bolted together. This took 11 days of worth of printing. So it was a lot of time that Josh had involved, not to mention designing it. And a lot of you are gonna ask about side load. Everything wiggling is the trunk. It does wiggle a little bit, but it's not crazy. So Josh has a lot of time in this. Fortunate enough, he has a plasma table as well, so we were able to cut the mounting plates out of a plasma table rather than having cutting by hand, which I've had to do before. But it seemed to work. Like I said, I won't have a definitive answer on how it is until a week from now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I've been doing this for a little over a year. It's been something to keep my sanity a little bit when things get slow for me at work. So if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. By all means, leave me a comment. If it is negative, just be respectful about it. I don't mind negative comments. Creative criticism, I guess, is the better word. Sometimes you can be negative and just kind of be a real jerk, especially in today's world with everybody being keyboard warriors. So, all right, guys, the whole like, comment, subscribe thing, share to your friends, show it to your friends, be like, hey, look what this moron did with a Corolla. I'm not done painting the trunk. I got to fix that hopefully before we leave in 2 days. So I have about 9 other things I got to do today. So I will cut this here, hopefully get this video edited and out to you guys tomorrow. That's my goal. So hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Have fun.